Unit 18. What are you doing?
I'm home. Where are you, Hoa?
I'm in my room.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Where are you, Hoa?
I'm in my room.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Where are you, Nam?
I'm in the living room.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
Where are you, Mai?
I'm in the kitchen.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
Where's Peter?
He's in his room.
What's he doing there?
He's doing his homework.
What's she doing?
She's singing.
What's he doing?
He's drawing. Where's Tony? He's in the living room. What's he doing? He's watching TV.
Where's Mai?
She's in her bedroom.
What's she doing?
She's drawing a picture. Where's Peter? He's in the garden. What's he doing? He's listening to music.
Where's Linda?
She's in the kitchen.
What's she doing there?
She's cooking.
He's reading. She's drawing a picture. My sister is reading. Linda is drawing in her room.
Let's sing. I love my parents.
I love you, Mummy. I love you, Mummy. I love you so much. Do you know that? You never know how much I love you. Oh, Mummy, I love you so much. I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. I love you so much. Do you know that? You never know how much I love you. Oh, Daddy, I love you so much.
Let's chant. What are you doing?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What are you doing? I'm drawing. I'm drawing. What is she doing? She's singing. She's singing. What is he doing? He's reading. He's reading. What are they doing? They're dancing. They're dancing.